cruising to Nassau, Bahamas soon and not sure what to do when you get there? Come join us on a walking tour. We'll start at the cruise port, make our way to the Bahama Rum Cake Factory, home of the most delicious rum cakes you'll ever try. Then we'll continue on to the famous fish fry for an authentic Bahamian lunch. And along the way, we'll stop at must see landmarks and local spots you won't want to miss. Are you ready? Let's get started. Once you've disembarked your cruise ship, walk all the way through the cruise port until you reach East Bay Street. Once there, you will walk down about an eighth of a mile until you reach the Bahama Rum Cake Factory. It is an easy stroll. We are walking over to the Bahama Rum Cake Factory right now. Yep. It is less than a mile. It's like 0.6 miles from the cruise port. Cruise port is just right there.
Yeah, you see the ship. We made it. Here it is. Rum Cake Factory. Yeah, baby. I'm excited. No, I love my rum cakes.
That's real rum cake. Yeah. Think I'm all clear.
Look at all these flavors. Check it out. See? Check out all these flavors, guys. We come to the right place. The price here, better than at port. So definitely make the trip up here. It's worth it.
So it is for these little baby cakes here. It is one for $7. You get 4 of these for $22.50.
Yeah.
Or you get the 6-pack for $37.50. So it's a lot cheaper for you to do these 4 packs. And for us, we're gonna get probably 8 of these.
Yes. Did I happen to mention I like rum cakes? Yeah.
Wait, but you still need one more.
I like them a lot. Hey, I like your spirit. I need one more.
You need
Look at all
one
this.
more.
Yes.
What do we need?
We need the original. You said you like the original with
Pecan.
nuts, right?
Yeah.
Pecan? It's right here, baby. I can't grab it because my hands are full. There we go.
This is a guy that is
Who loves
excited.
his rum cakes.
This is awesome. Good secured.
Yeah.
Bahama rum cake. So awesome. Very walkable from the pier.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
Nope, it's about 0.6 miles. I would definitely do it. But now we are going to go all the way back past the cruise port and everything. We're going to go over to Fish Fry. After leaving Bahama Rum Cake Factory, we are going to walk 1.7 miles on Bay Street until we reach the Fish Fry and see everything along the way. These beautiful pink buildings make up Parliament Square, home to the House of Assembly, the oldest governing body in the Bahamas, dating back to 1729. The statue in front is Queen Victoria, a symbol of the Bahamas' British colonial history. The Nassau Straw Market is one of the most popular stops downtown. Here, you'll find handmade straw crafts, souvenirs, wood carvings, and local art. It's the perfect place to pick up a memory from your trip. This is Governor Woodes Roger, the man who ended Nassau's pirate era back in 1718 and brought law and order to the Bahamas. He is currently standing in front of the British Colonial Hotel. Junkanoo Beach is a favorite for cruisers who want sand and sea without going too far from the ship. You can rent beach chairs and umbrellas if you'd like to relax. And if you're hungry or need a drink, don't worry, Junkanoo has you covered. This is where you come for Nassau fun with music, local food stands, and an upbeat atmosphere. It's the perfect spot to soak in the island vibes. Another thing about Junkanoo Beach is it is a free beach. It is not too far from the cruise port. So if you continue down past the Margaritaville,
It's about what? Maybe a mile total from the cruise port?
yeah, it's definitely very walkable.
Yeah.
There is a sidewalk. It's pretty safe, but yeah, the beach is nice. Today is a really cloudy day, so we will not be getting into the water or anything. But keep walking down towards the end. There is a lot of open areas.
Yeah. Tons of space.
Yeah, but you won't have access to all like the little drinks and little food huts. You'd have to walk all the way back. Right across from Junkanoo Beach, you'll see Nassau's historic lighthouse, one of the oldest in the West Indies. It's a great spot for photos and marks the entrance to Nassau Harbor.
Bye.
Hi.
Thank you.
Coconuts are $5.
$5?
Alright.
I want to get one on the way back.
Okay.
I'm going to come back.
You'll be here for a while?
No, it's supposed to rain, so I'm about to leave.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
And I'll see you later.
Here we are at Junkanoo Beach, and you see how close it is to the cruise port. The cruise port is just right there. So yeah, definitely very walkable. This obelisk stands along Nassau's western esplanade as a historic monument and a great spot for waterfront photos. It's an iconic marker for visitors exploring the downtown harbor area. As you walk along West Bay Street, you'll spot the entrance to Fort Charlotte. From the street level, you can admire the massive stone walls and cannons, imagining what life was like in the 18th century. If you have time, it's worth going inside to explore the fort and enjoy panoramic views of Nassau Harbor. This is the famous fish fry, where locals and visitors come for authentic Bahamian dishes like crack conch fritters, and fresh snappers. It's a must-do stop for lunch if you're in the area.
Storm Brothers? Go on, do it.
That's not fun.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. That's not shy.
Hey, all right.
So shy. Yeah, Jay.
All right. Thank you much.
The menu already looks pretty good. It's got a whole bunch of drinks.
And a lot of the locals have recommended this place to us. So they all speak very, very highly of this one place. So.
Yeah, we were
Glad to
recommended
hear.
a couple different times now today. So we are gonna check out this menu and order some food.
Yeah.
I'm excited. I got the fritters that I have been wanting to get here in the Bahamas. These look so good. I am so excited to try one. I bet you they're going to be so hot. That is really good. Piping hot, just came out of the fryer. So savory, so delicious. I'm so glad that we got this. So I'm gonna eat.
What kind of sauce is that?
It almost tastes like a uh Thousand Island. Yeah, it almost tastes like a Thousand Island. But so good. So I'm gonna dig in.
Here we are. Take some good fish and chips going. You see that? Fresh off the fryer. You squeeze a little bit of juices on here. You guys ready for this? I am. Nice. Hot. Ooh, that's burning my hands hot. Fresh out of the fryer. There we go. I gotta do this quick. Ready? Hot, 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 hot. Mm. That is delicious. You gotta get some of that.
We're done eating at the fish fry.
Yeah. Twin Brothers is where we
Twin
went.
Brothers, yeah. It was a really tasty place.
It was very tasty indeed.
Mhm.
Sorry for all the noise if you guys are hearing it right now. Our microphones died.
Yep.
Oh.
So we're gonna walk back past Junkanoo Beach towards the cruise ship. The cruise ship is within sight, so
Yeah,
it's
not
nice
a bad
and
walk at
easy.
all. Just a light little drizzle.
Mhm.
Not bad at all.
Yeah, but if you guys do come out and go down the fish fry, I would definitely recommend Twin Brothers. They're really, really nice there. The food was great. The restaurant was really nice, really clean. They've got bathrooms in there also.
Yep,
So that is a
AC,
plus.
bathrooms, clean, new.
Yes.
So, but I gotta admit, it is just a little pricey, so be prepared.
Yeah.
But
So we did get 2 items.
definitely worth it. Totally good food.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
we got the conch fritters and
Fish and chips, baby.
it came out to $48. We did get 2 just regular soda with that, so it was $48. So it is pricey, but the food is good. And that's kind of the price you're gonna pay when you come out to
Almost
places like the Bahamas.
anywhere, the prices are a little pricey. So
Mhm.
it's not just that one restaurant.
Yeah,
Yeah. You definitely pay tourist price, that's for sure.
that is for sure. All right, so we're gonna head back towards the ship. And hopefully it doesn't start pouring because it's been sprinkling this whole time.
I'm at Junkanoo Beach, right behind me. And got all the bars and shops down the sidewalk behind me there. But you can rent chairs here, you can get drinks, they got food. They might haggle you a little bit, but yeah, you can negotiate and get a good price, get good umbrella and a chair if you need, get some drink packages.
As we walk through Pompey Square, you'll notice the beautiful open plaza surrounded by historic buildings. This square is named after Pompey, an enslaved man who led a slave revolt in 1830, and the museum here tells his story and other important pieces of Bahamian history. It's a great spot to pause for photos or just take in the local atmosphere. That's our walking tour of Nassau. From Pompey Square and the Straw Market to Junkanoo Beach, Rum Cake Factory, and Fish Fry, we've covered all the must-see spots. Craving more? Make sure you check out our video, Nassau Port Day. Experience Nassau like a local. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite stop below. We'd love to hear from you. As always, discover, pursue, and inspire to travel.